How do I find my wireless password in Windows 11? The wireless network password allows you to connect devices like your HP printer to your wireless network. Follow the steps in this video to locate the Wi-Fi password for the network your Windows 11 computer is connected to. On your computer, search for and open Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down to the Related Settings section and click More Network Adapter Options. The Network Connections window opens. Locate your wireless network adapter, right-click on it, and select Status. The Wi-Fi Status window opens. Click the Wireless Properties button. In the Wireless Network Properties window, select the Security tab. Under the Security tab, below the Network Security Key field, click the checkbox next to Show Characters. The wireless network password is now visible in the Network Security Key field. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.